Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your air cabin filter. And as you can see, the one I have here is pretty dirty. I can't even remember when the last time it's been changed. So here we go.
What I'm going to do today is to, before I vacuum out the car, is to change the air cabin filter. Now my intention was to replace the engine air filter, but I ordered the wrong part. So since I got this part, I might as well just go ahead and replace it. Now I think it's going to be super dirty because I don't remember ever giving Volkswagen authorization to change it, because for one, I am. So look at these trays. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Hopefully you can breathe better.
Yeah, so for this part, located right underneath your dashboard, I'm going to take these two screws that you see. You'll see me meddling with it with the screwdriver, but you can actually take these out with your hands. It's not in there tight at all, so you could actually do this with your with your hands and not fumble around with the screwdriver like I was trying to do. And you'll see this one of these is broken, and I don't know if, I'm pretty sure I didn't do it because I've never changed this myself. But anyway, you don't need a screwdriver like I said before, but if you choose to, you can as well. But it's plastic, so you better be careful with it so you don't break it. Very easy to do with your hands. Yeah, like I said before, just make sure that that you tighten up, with your hands. You don't necessarily need a screwdriver, and they are kind of fragile, and because they're plastic. So just make sure that you don't tighten too tight if you use a screwdriver. And you just want to make sure all the holes are facing the outlets that you see there, and then you just stuff it back in there, literally, and you're good to go. Fresh air loading.